stop 6 at Stagecoach. You're on the highway in the far left lane.
We're about to roll up on Stagecoach in a second. You get in the far right lane. Speed 77, no traffic.
Now you're in Stagecoach, get at the exit, right there. Get at the exit, please stop 6. Later then, so I know to stop signal.
We're in the right lane, right lane. We're passing the Stagecoach exit in the right lane. You're getting over in the middle lane.
Negative on stop 6.
We're still traveling southbound. He's getting in his lane like we're going towards Bass Pro. We're going 90 miles an hour, no traffic. He's getting off on the Otter Creek exit.
Lincoln 19 Interstate.
We're passing Bass Road, westbound, 7 miles per hour, light traffic.
You ain't calling ASP.
What's up, Shorty?
I'm approaching Bass Pro now. I'm on the search route.
Service Road, westbound. We're passing Guy Springs, First Baptist Church. Speeds are 72, no traffic.
Information, state police are catching up behind me.
10-4. I think he's about to try to get on the freeway again.
State police just passed me at the church.
We're passing Pulaski Tech. Speeds are 75, no traffic.
Is he getting on 30? Oh, Tanker exit.
We're turning out down the road. Speeds are 30 right now. No traffic at all.
Hey, which way are you going, Alexander?
Going towards Highway 5.
Speed 45, no traffic.
Back up those red stops.
Going east on Stagecoach.
Good spike. southbound Stagecoach, speed 66, light traffic. State Bend primary.
11 Little Rock on primary.
Good work, level.
Attempted a TVI successful this time. Approaching Otter Creek.
I'll be on the TVI approaching Otter Creek.
Passing Waffle House. And we're passing Otter Creek Parkway. TVI right here at Chateaus. Chateaus and Otter Creek.
Get out on foot.
I'll be TVI on Otter Creek.
Show me your fucking hands, dude. Show me your hands. Hands, 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 hands. Come out on your face. Come out on your face right now. On your face. On your face. On your face. Yeah. I'm not the door. Hands in the small of your back right now. Hands in the small of your back. Where's your weapon at?
I don't have none.
You got
I'm done. I ain't got
Where's your gun at?
Where's
your gun at? Stop lying to me.
That's my girlfriend.
Where's your gun at?
I don't have one, sir. I'm gun free. I'm gun free.
Okay. Any weapons on you? If you lie to me,
I promise
you're catching a felony. Do you understand?
I'm not lying to you. I know I don't carry a gun.
Yeah.
I'm on parole. I don't have no weapons. My drunk was. Because I'm on parole.
Hey, 11 Little Rock. We're 10-4, no damage. 15 jump stitch. What's up, buddy? Let me stop this video real quick. Restart it. Say what?